Hey guys, I'm putting together a workshop series for Fanbase University members, and I'd like to know what you guys would like to learn. So if you're not a Fanbase University member, on the 12th and 24th of every month at 12 p.m. EST, I go live and I train for over an hour. I do Q&A, and I decided to do a fun summer series workshop. And so what's different between like a live training and a workshop is we're actually going to be doing the work, okay? This isn't just a motivational session where you come and learn and watch. This is something where you learn and do, okay? And so some of the ideas that I had, and I wanted to see what you would like to learn for this. And again, this will be on the July 12th, the 24th, August 12th and August 24th. So I'm going to call this the summer series workshop. So the first one I really wanted to do was email. Okay, it was really focusing on email automation, building your email list, doing a whole workshop on that, how to set up the automation, how to write emails, how to do your whole sequence. Okay, I thought that would be super valuable because I always preach to you guys, don't just get subscribers on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You want to build that email list. So I thought we should dedicate one whole workshop to that. I wanted to dedicate one, of course, to YouTube, but not just YouTube itself. Like, of course, we'll cover thumbnails, we'll cover playlists, we'll cover growing your subscribers, launching videos, but then also YouTube ads, I think would be really, really important. Those are the two that come to mind. Obviously, I'd love to talk about releasing a song, like full song launch, from uploading it to all the steps to releasing it, and getting all those playlists on Spotify, promoting it Apple Music. Like, we'll just call like that like a song launch workshop. We'll obviously incorporate it for like EPs or albums as well too, because I have an EP coming out in a couple weeks. And so those are just some ideas off the top of my head as I'm talking about this. It's 7 a.m. Woke up at 6 a.m., but 7 a.m. had this idea. This is the new studio. I'm so stoked about this. I want to get different picks up in between each baffling, so it's kind of like balance. I just have the one award right there. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Post a comment below what you'd like to learn, even if you can't make the workshop or not. And if you can't make the workshop on those times, well, that's why it's recorded, right? That's why it's recorded, so you have access to it to go watch it at any time. They'll be posted in the Fanbase University members. And so again, if you're not a Fanbase U member, go to fanbaseuniversity.com and join, and you'll get access to all kinds of training and, of course, to ask questions with me. So hope that helps you out. Want you to learn, want you to grow this summer. I'm always learning, I'm always growing, and I look forward to helping you out. But please post a comment below of what you'd like to learn, and maybe if I don't do it during the workshop, maybe I'll do a smaller, shorter video on YouTube, because I just want to know what you guys are struggling with and how I can help when I'm doing vids. Okay, peace.